What's up guys, my name is Sajid Hassan and you're watching Smart Room. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve this Pyruminx cube. So let's see how to solve it. By the way, don't skip the video. So this is the cube. We know about this thing, but we can't solve it. So I will teach you how to solve it in 50 seconds and 4 steps. So let's know about this cube something. Pyruminx cube have 4 sides in 4 color, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we will scramble it like this. Step number 1. We have to solve the upper layer, and the upper layer is this side. This calls upper layer. We got 4 upper layers on 4 sides, and this is the center layer. Okay, we have to combine the upper layer's color to center color like this. See, we solved 1 layer, and going to second we solved, and third. See, the blue color matched, and the last one. See, we solved. It's so easy. We have solved the step number 1. Step number 2, we have to solve the center layers. Now these 3 are center layers. We have to find the perfect positions for the center layer. Look at this. This upper layer have 3 color: yellow, red and blue, but the green one is missing. So you maybe know the green center will be in this side. Okay, we have to turn it and find the green side. So turn like this to find the green side. We got one. Turn it, we got second one and the third one. We solved the center layer, but here is other side. Yellow are not matched. Now turn it like this. See, yellow one is also matched. We solved all centers. It's mean we solved the step number 2. Step number 3. This step will almost finish the cube. So let's see how to do it. These 3 are edges. See, these 3 are edges. Now we have to learn one algorithm. See, algorithm is R, L, R apostrophe, L apostrophe. See, here's again. R, L, R apostrophe, L apostrophe. You can use this one algorithm in this cube. Now, look. This edge will come in this side. So I'm using this trick like this. R and rotating the poly like this. See, this edge are solved. Now I'm looking for another one. Now I'm using the algorithm. See, the yellow and blue edge are solved. Looking for another one. Use the algorithm. Not solve anyone. So use again. And see, solve another one. Now we have to solve this, and this edge. I don't know how to solve this situation. I really don't know how to solve it. I'm using the algorithm from left side. I always use the algorithm again and again until the edge are matched. So I'm doing the same thing that always I do, using the algorithm. again and again. Use the algorithm, not matched. So one thing, if you do the algorithm 3 times, it will undo the algorithm. It will come at the same position when you was doing the algorithm. I'm using algorithm, tricks, everything, but cube are not solved. See, I'm doing the undo the algorithm with using the algorithm 3 times. Now think about it. We have to use the algorithm for this 3 edge without touch any other edges. Maybe it's work. Wait a minute. Yes, it worked. We finished the step number 3. These 2 are on the right position but not solved. We will solve it in step number 4. Step number 4. Now we will solve the cube. In this step, we'll solve these 2 edges. I'm using the algorithm 1 time. Then we have to use one trick. We have to rotate the upper layer like this, see, and the left layer like this. We solve 2 edges. Then back the upper layer first, then back the left layer like this. See, we solved the cube. Now you can solve the Pyruminx cube. I will show you in next video how to solve step 3 so easier. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, share it with friends, follow and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.